Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soulful Cooking. Today, I'll be making a breakfast casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 4 cups of frozen hash browns, 8 eggs, 1 pound of pork sausage, 1 cup of beef smoked sausage, 8 slices of bacon, 1/2 of a red bell pepper, 1 cup of onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of Mexican blend cheese, 1 1/3 cups of half and half, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring a pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your hash browns and allow them to cook for 10 minutes or until they have reached a golden brown color. Remove the hash browns from the pan and set them aside until later. Now add the beef smoked sausage to the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Remove your sausage from the pan and set it aside until later. Now fry your bacon and allow it to cook until it is crispy and golden brown. Remove your bacon and most of the oil from your pan. Now saute your onions and bell peppers for 2 minutes. Add your pork sausage and continue to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Return the beef smoked sausage and half of your bacon to the pan and mix until well combined. Add your eggs to a large bowl, then season with your pepper and salt. Now whisk until well combined. Pour in the half and half, then whisk until well combined. Now it's time to layer our casserole. To the baking dish, add your layer of hash browns, then sprinkle with a layer of cheese. If you would like printable versions of my recipe, please visit my website at soulfulcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Now add the sausage and bacon mixture, then pour in your eggs. Sprinkle with the final layer of cheese, then top with your remaining bacon. Cover your baking dish with foil, then transfer it to your 350 degree preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Remove your foil and continue to cook for an additional 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soulful Cooking.
Soulful cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.